Oh, this is load number 2 I'm starting. I've got more to pick up, but I'll go dispose of this on the burn pile and we'll just carry on. Oh, pile's growing. This is from a tornado on the 28th of May 2024. This is just a little bit what I've got to bring up. I'll do it in stages to clean and clear up the whole property. Wow, and the humidity is terrible. Well, I've started burning the debris from the tornado that came through here on the 28th, I think it was 28th of May. I've got a lot more to gather up and burn, but this pile's getting too big, so I'm going to burn this down. Then I'll collect up some more and then burn that down, and so forth and so on. It's starting to burn nicely now, it's catching. Don't want it to burn too fast, but I want to burn it up. More like a bit of a slow burn. Because I've got trees around my forest over here. I don't want to catch my forest on fire. Well, that's the first pile almost gone. Almost gone. A little bit more and then tomorrow I'll start piling more stuff on and build up the next pile and then burn that as well. Till I've cleared all the debris off our property on those winds. Well, this is some more limbs down, etc. from the tornado that came through. I've got to take this to the burn pile. And then that tree up there has been ruined, it's been stripped, it's dead. I'm going to have to cut it down. Chop it, cut it down and then cut it into pieces and take it to the burn pile. So it's more tornado cleaner. There you go, it's another tree knocked over by the tornado. It's on the burn pile. Lots more to come, but I'll do them 3 for 3. Cart it up here, put it on the pile, and then I'll burn it. Wow, humidity is brutal. In June, you're in Huntsville on the property, wow. Well, there she goes. Burn at this tree. Sitting far from it because it's so humid and hot. From the sun, I don't need that heat. That fire's hot.
I'll focus. I always say, if I don't see you through the week, I will see you through the window. Cheers, y'all.
Now I'm burning some more of the bigger pieces with it. I have to drag them over by hand so I don't own the tractor. But anyway, I get them there. Slowly but surely to all be incinerated.